This 2020 Chevrolet Trax is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Chevrolet is powered by front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, turbocharged gas, 4-style 1.4 E-TR engine, and has 78 hours, 146 miles. Discover adventure in this reliable 2020 Chevrolet Trax, your perfect blend of style and affordability. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.